What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we get the Jaguar F-Pace SVR Edition 1988, and it's inspired by motorsports. Now, during this year's 24 Hours of Le Mans during June 8th and the 12th, Jaguar will display the 1988 Le Mans winning XJR9, which will be accompanied by another very special guest. Next to the race car will be the new F-Pace SVR Edition 1988, designed and built to commemorate the British automaker's triumph in the most demanding motorsport event from 34 years ago. Now, the performance SUV is inspired by the brand's racing success and will be produced in very limited numbers. Now, the highlight of the exterior tweaks has to be the Midnight Amethyst Gloss paintwork inspired by the original race car from the 1988 edition of Le Mans, and it is combined with champagne gold satin finish, also from the XJR9 for the 22-inch forged alloy wheels. Now, a different shade of gold called Sunset Gold Satin covers the body emblems but is more visible on the inside, where it is used on a steering wheel mounted gear shifter, seats, and dashboard. And the exterior color is exclusive to the Edition 1988 limited edition model, and so is the laser etched Edition 1988 logo applied to each front fender. Now, in addition, the door mirror caps, brake calipers, wheel center caps, and the R logo on the SVR badging are finished in gloss black, as well as contrast to the gold trim. And inside the cabin, naked carbon fiber is visible, as well as ebony leather upholstery for the dashboard, steering wheel, gear shift, and seats. And all these tweaks come from Jaguar's SV's bespoke division. Now, there are no mechanical tweaks, and power continues to be provided by the firm's 5-liter supercharged V8 gasoline engine that delivers 550 horsepower, 410 kilowatts, and 516 pound-feet, 700 newton-meters of torque, up from 502 pound-feet, 680 newton-meters before the 2021 model year. And the mill has made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission from the torque converter type. And the performance SUV can hit 60 miles per hour or 96 kilometers per hour in just 3.8 seconds and reach a top speed of 178 miles per hour, 286 kilometers. Now, Jaguar has plans to assemble just 394 examples of the F-Pace SVR Edition 1988, one for each lap completed by the Le Mans winning Jaguar, and the starting price will be $110,000, excluding the $1,150 destination and delivery taxes. But that's in the United States. Now, the limited edition performance SUV is now available at order at Jaguar dealerships around the world. So with that said, what do you guys think about this wild 1988 SVR Edition F-Pace? Let me know down in the comments below. What do you think about that color? And with that said, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we'll have a bigger discussion on the Jaguar F-Pace SVR Edition 1988. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, my Venmo, and my Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. I appreciate that extra love and support, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch in case you guys want long sleeve shirts, t-shirts, stickers, tank tops, everything Ron's Rise is there. And I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. See everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video.